Ha ha! Welcome to Alchemist Prime. I am your host CHAKRA, and I am here to unbox the Nanoleaf triangles shapes. I've been waiting so long. I've been saving up for these bad boys right here. It's the 7-piece, and we are about to get right into this unboxing, ladies and gentlemen. If you didn't see the unboxing of the Cuisinart, freaking beautiful uh, fox wood handles, man, these knives, man, you gotta check them out right here. Just unboxed these bad boys, you gotta check that out. Get this open. Open her backwards. So we got the charger. Bam. And we got the triangles. Gotta figure these out, how to set these up. And we got the connectors in the middle. This little apparatus, the power. It's a little dirty inside, but that's alright. Must have been like moldy or something. Doesn't affect the tech. Different ways to set it up. And yep. Limitless lighting. I like that. Alright, so from here we have to set this bad boy up. So as you can see, I threw the cable over and I connected the remote with these little guys right there. And I connected the power button as well right there, as you can see. And these set up all the adhesive tapes on the back. Excuse my bum. So we're gonna want to set these up about down here. Right under the television. Alright. So you see the little tummy tuck or whatever these are called, little connectors. You see the connector? So I was gonna boom right there. And then we're gonna want this one up here. That's where we're gonna want to shift it. You don't want it to go off frame. Boom. So we got the sticky pad on the back, and then we got this guy down there. Line them up, and then connect the sticky pads. Self-explanatory. So that one's gonna go right there. Like so. So I switched it up a little bit so it can come up. Now it's gonna hit the geometric shape. Boom. That one's a little wobbly. And for the pure the resistance. Seven, ladies and gentlemen. So that pretty much covers it. I'm glad it's perfectly above the frame. Boom. Now let's light her up. Oh, there we go. Ha ha! We got lights. Hey! It's on sound mode right now. I like that. Sound mode is one of my favorite. Or we can just like change it. How do you change it? Take it off music. Shuffle. Hello. Oh, let's fuck with the solids. I like that one. I don't know. I gotta mess with the lights, but I'm pretty happy with that one right there. Let's leave that one right there. Now that we got a little bit more feng shui, we got the overhead right now, so you can get the whole sound system over there. I'm not on this bad boy right now. I'm on the NTG, but that's basically it, ladies and gentlemen. I appreciate you guys for stopping by. Please make sure to subscribe, like, comment down below, and I will see you in my next video. And make sure to check out MinguraCoinshop.com. You see the QR code right there. Appreciate you.